live. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy CPI, PPI week. How was your weekend? Hope everyone had a great weekend. Who is with me? Say hi. Don't be shy. Let's get this show running on the road. Hi, Amir. Hi, Faiz. Hi, Orin. Thank you very much for joining. Mira, good morning. Good morning. How do you hear me? How do you see me? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's get this show running. What do we see here? We see on the right futures US 500, 2 hours holding the trend line. Look how trend lines act as the true support resistance for price action. So holding below it, we got ourselves the sell signal from the FTI once we broke this yellow zone to the downside. Now this yellow trend line needs to hold, otherwise 50.81 and all these levels to the downside is how it looks. On the 2 hours, this is how it looks. On the 15 minutes downtrend, we can add the trend lines if we want. And here you have all the trend lines. As you can see, trend lines hold very nice. We are below a sell signal, below the yellow zone, below a trend line. We got ourselves a doji. Let's see if we can get some kind of a bounce, or breaking below, we will get the same magnitude of this price action, this candle from the 551.11 towards the 5100, 11 points, another 11 points to the downside will take us all the way to here, somewhere over here. All we need to do, follow price, use levels. So Samsung, good morning from freezing Boston. Aliza, thank you very much for joining. Avishai, hi from Avishai, not Chai, Avishai Kapach. Where are you from? Look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 4 hours. Another all-time highs. Every minute it goes by, Bitcoin is incoming. 80,000. Sorry, what do you think? Can Bitcoin today or tomorrow? 80,000. Who thought about it? Just in the beginning of 2024, who would have thought that we will see Bitcoin at the 72, now trying to break above the 72? In my opinion, 80K is next. So this is the futures. CPI we have tomorrow, CPI 8:30 a.m. Eastern Side, New York time. And don't forget, Thursday, PPI coming out. So what are your holdings? Who's also with me? Say hi. Don't be shy, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're already here, hit the like, smash that subscribe button. Help me grow this channel. Will be much appreciated. This is all I need. This is all I want. Let's grow this channel together. Let's help more and more people see the truth about trading, technical analysis. We are not just another YouTube channel that sells 100% proof strategy. We are telling the truth. Everything here is what you see is what you get. Palantir. What do you see on Palantir? For Amir, thank you very much for joining. Hi, Dror. Here you have Palantir. Good morning, Osher. Thank you very much for joining, taking your time. I do appreciate it. I don't take it as obvious that you hold you pose your day, whether it's the morning, whether it's afternoon, noon, evening, wherever you are in the world. I don't take it as granted. Joining me on this live, talking about charts, talking about trading techniques, talking about financial freedom through trading, PLTR. As you can see, Fibonacci, news or no news, everything that you need on your chart. Fibonacci and trend lines. Fibonacci, the 25 now from a major resistance now needs to hold a support. Otherwise, we will retest this lower border of this uptrend channel together with the 23, the yellow zone. Long continuation of Palantir, in my opinion, only above 27.50 towards 35. All you need to do is clean the noise from all your surroundings. Follow price, use Fibonacci and trend lines. If you want to see the magic of Fibonacci, look. Let's take for example, for those who's asking me about, what is Pinker? Rage Gaming, what is Pinker? Pinker, never heard about it. You sure this is the ticker? Pinker? THX. Okay, THX. It's an OTC over the counter. Sorry, I do not trade. I don't analysis. Look how it looks. Nasty. I just don't. Maybe this one. This one looks better. This is not in the US market, but we can analyze it. THX, the FTSE. What do you see? Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now holding the 618 area. Above it, 30. 13, 1, and then 14. You want to go long, in my opinion, only above 13.1. Samsung, once again, someone tells me you have not watched. You haven't watched. Correct me if I'm wrong. The weekly market recap. Haven't you? If you ask about AMD, Tesla, or any other Mag 7, you should watch the weekly market review. Everything is there. Everything that you need. So who else? Shimshon, hi, good morning from Israel. Thank you very much, Avi. Good morning to you too. Also, please check. You want AMD, but make sure you check the weekly market recap. Ladies and gentlemen, every week I go and I put 4 videos, 2 each language, 2 in Hebrew, 2 in English, so no excuses. I put all the work, so please check it out. It's for you, it's not for me. AMD still in an uptrend channel. As long as we are above the yellow zone, we are good to go. Tesla also, we are talking about it every day and every weekend on the weekly market recap. And as we can see, the 173 is holding. Below it, 161, and this gap at the 146. We are in a downtrend channel until proven otherwise. Hi Sharon, thank you very much for joining. Rage Gaming, Sharon Pinker. Can I check RKK? Have you saw, Ido, my top stocks to watch? You have it in English. You have it in Hebrew. So if you're asking me about RKK, you have not watched my top stocks to watch. What else do we have? Hi Shlomi, thank you very much. GE. Let's talk about GE. A perfect example, by the way. I will show you now how Fibonacci and everything follows. Let's take earnings off for now. This is a clean, clear chart of GE. What do you see? You see an uptrend almost all the way to all-time highs. These are the all-time highs, right? We had a nasty doji last Friday. Now some kind of a pullback. As you can see, we are still in an uptrend. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Uptrend, 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 but some kind of a pullback, maybe to the 161. Below it, take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Below 168, you have the 162.20, then 154, and then 142 to the downside. But look at the amazing thing. Now I will prove to you once and for all that all these indicators that you're using, if they work for you, perfectly fine. Keep using it. But they are all lagging, right? This is why I use Fibonacci. Only Fibonacci. G. Let's take this trend from October 74 to May of 76. We need Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high, right? Now look, while we say that Fibonacci and trend lines, they are the true roadmap for future price action. Once again, we're taking swing low, swing high 50 years ago. October 74 until the high of July of 76 on the monthly chart. Now, let's go back to the daily and GE. What are we expecting to see? Look at this. Where price is traveling. Look how price reacts to all the support and all the resistance. Fibonacci gave it 50 years ago. Of course, you have more on the road because it's 50 years ago, right? But look at this 39.90 area that was a support December 18 until October 20. This support is the 3618 extension. This support the Fibonacci gave us, you remember, the end of 74. Look at this major, massive resistance. This is the 6th extension, the 186.36. Look at this support. All these levels of support and resistance were given by the Fibonacci 50 years ago. Yes, 50 years ago. You want another example? Give me another name and I will do it for you. What else do we have? Thank you very much. Samsung, watch every video. Go to the Fibonacci-Traders Academy playlist. Start with there. You have all the basics on the technical side and on the psychology behind trading. After that, if you want to become a professional trader, learn from my 7 years plus experience, check the links in the description below. Choose the one-on-one or the pre-recorded. Both programs. Lifetime access for support and guidance from me and all Discord channels, not including the FTI. Lifetime access, support and guidance. We go hand by hand until you will start making money by yourself through trading. Good morning, Ingrid. Thank you very much for joining. Alad, if you are asking me or anyone else where to put your stop loss, first, why do you trust me? You need to trust yourself. You don't trust yourself, you need to get the proper education to trust yourself. It's your money. What do you care? What do I say? I don't know your risk tolerance. I don't know your risk management. I don't know your daily routine. Cost broke below a massive uptrend channel. Now, all you need to do is Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. If you want to, where your stop loss is, I don't know where you entered, but in my opinion, should be at the high of this candle, because after that, it will close this gap over here. But once again, please, I tell it only for your sake and for your money. It's your money. Take care of your money, ladies and gentlemen. If you need to ask someone on social media, and it doesn't matter if it's me or anyone else, or how many subscribers or how many followers they have, you need education. You need to get the proper education. So get it. Don't trust anyone else, especially on social media, what to do with your money. I hope it helped, Alad. Thank you very much. NVIDIA, Avi, check the link, 2 links above you. All the links. You have the weekly market review and you have my top stocks to watch. So please check it out. Hi, Sharon. Thank you very much for joining. Tomer wants D-Dog. D-Dog. D-Dog, let's make the experiment. And D-Dog, let's go to the weekly. And D-Dog, you want to see how price follows Fibonacci? This is how. You take, let's take this trend. September 19 until February 20. Look at this. You want to see magic? Here comes the magic. All the rest, above the 1 level, is the extensions. Look at the high of all time. November 2021. 1 year after we drew, 1 year and a half, almost 2 years after we drew this trend, look how price reacts. Look, we are now March 2024. We drew this trend. This trend is from September 19 to January 20. 4 years plus. And price reacts almost perfectly to Fibonacci. You want to be more accurate? Take Fibonacci, recent low, recent high, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All the magic in 2 minutes. And this is how, look, once again, it gave us all-time highs. D-Dog, if you want to go long, for now, only above the 139, ladies and gentlemen, I'm putting out the magic on how to use Fibonacci. How to use Fibonacci, the most accurate way for you to know how to trade. It's not only how we see charts and how we analyze charts. It's how we trade what we see. Now looks like D-Dog is going to the 111, to the downside, below it. This gap, be careful. For now, no long on D-Dog as far as I can see. This is the magic of Fibonacci. It helps you. Yeah, I'm still holding, Faiz. I'm still holding. What I'm holding, I'm still holding UPS, QSR, AVTR, APG, and Airbnb. This is what I'm holding for now. UPS, I'm holding. QSR, still holding. Maybe today, my QSR stop loss will hit. AVTR, still holding. Uptrend until proven otherwise. APG, still holding. One candle does not change the overall sentiment. We have a gap over here. Will my stop will hit today? Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. The day, the week still didn't start. What else do I have? APG. This was APG. We have Airbnb. Still holding long. Still in an uptrend. Right? What do you see? Uptrend until proven otherwise. So we just did UPS, Mira. This is UPS. I'm holding UPS. I want to see first this gap getting filled. We took UPS, I think last Thursday. This is Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. Look how it holds. the 618, the 152 holding a support. Next is the 786 Fibonacci, not surprising, where the gap is. So this is UPS. Rivian is next. Let's see. For now, we are basing on the 50.99 on the futures. Bitcoin 4 hours, 71,800. Rivian, you have a massive gap over here. For now, nothing much on Rivian. Let's check Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Not surprising, Fibonacci got stuck at the 618. It's also the 618. It all depends on how. You see, it's the 618. Above it, closing this gap. Long in this condition, only above 1375. If I was already long on Rivian, my stop would be just below this area, the 1218. What else do we have? Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. We are going live. And if you want financial freedom through trading, lifetime support and guidance, as this banner says, now it's gone for some reason, I don't see it. Here it is. Lifetime guidance and support, all Discord channels, links in the description below. Join me on this magnificent road to become financial freedom through trading. Together, we can do it. Hi Lital. Have you seen the Fibonacci weekly market recap? Still, too many people did not see it. Which ETF? Which one, Rafi? Which one? Soon. S-O-U-N. Soundhound. What do we see on Soundhound? Let's check with the FTI. We are in an uptrend channel, but we got ourselves a sell signal because each day that went by in the past week and a half, every day we had a lower high. We broke inside the yellow zone. This is why we have a sell signal, and it doesn't mean we need to go short, but it's still not the time to go long. Long continuation, in my opinion, only above 660, and then you have all the levels to the upside. Mobileye. So for those who's asking me about Magnificent 7, please check the Fibonacci-Traders weekly market recap. I go thoroughly each and every one. I go Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, Meta, Google, Amazon. These lives are special for stocks that we don't talk about every day. Check about Mobileye. Look at this trend line. Once again, got rejected. Price got rejected by this trend line. We are holding above the yellow zone. I want to see continuation above, and finally a break above this one, preferred above the 30 area, and then we can start taking long. I will put an alert over here, and I will start making long. By the way, if you want to join the Fibonacci Traders, the only true Discord that will help you make money. We are helping each other making money, and as you can see, I also update my stop losses on swing, and we have swing lounge, we have options room, crypto, general chats, and of course everything also in Hebrew, premium for day trading, swing lounge for swing, general chat, we have the core zone. So if you want, and of course we have the Fibonacci, the FTI signals. This is the new room, not so new anymore, but these signals the FTI gives by itself. It gave us the signal, as you can see, sell. According to the US 500, once price was below the 5110. Once it broke below the 5110, it gave us sell signal on this candle. And also it gives us the stop loss. And it goes also on the daily time frame. Buy, sell, 65 on any time frame. By itself. Automation signals according to the FTI I just entered the parameters for it. And from there, it's by its own. So make sure you join the only Discord that will help you make money without the surrounding noise. What else do we have? Mobileye, Palo Alto, Pan W if I'm not mistaken. Yes, nobody. Palo Alto, what do you see? Just by this line, what do you see? No noise, only price action. What do you see? Is this the chart that you want to buy long? Is this a price action you want to go long on? I'm asking you, Ingrid. This is what you want. This is where you put your money? Or this is where you put your money? Where would you put your money? What else do we have interesting? SQ. Look at SQ. This or this. Just by looking natural price action. SLG. Look at SLG. This or this. Look at Sedge. Trying to bounce. Still in a downtrend. But let's see if Sedge can break above this yellow line. We have a double bottom scenario, very nice support area, breaking above it, and then we can start taking our long position towards this gap. Yes, we trade like this. If you want to know how to trade like this without the surrounding noise, you know what to do. Links in the description. What else? MDB. MongoDB. What do you see on MongoDB? Downtrend for now. You have this trend line. Broke. Let's see if this trend line is holding. Next is this trend line. This is a major trend line for MongoDB. Breaking below it. And MongoDB is going south towards the 275, maybe before it, the 316. You can also add your Fibonacci on the chart. Fibonacci will give you the exact. Look, broke below the 618. It's never good. Now it needs to hold this one, then 360, 326, and then 247. This is what Fibonacci tells us. And by the way, this is the broadening formation, the only true formation for price action. Broadening formation. If you want to be professional trader, you need to know the broadening formation. What else do we have? SoFi. What do you see on SoFi? Trying to bounce, but we are still with lower highs. We have this. We are still below this trend line. Now you can take Fibonacci. Look how easy it is. Make your technical analysis super easy, ladies and gentlemen. You want to go long on SoFi, in my opinion, only above 874. Until then, nothing much. Let's see from here, maybe above the 811 also. If you don't want to wait above the 850, above 811, use Fibonacci levels as your risk management. Not sure. No long on Pan W, Ingrid, for now. MFST or MFST? Microsoft. We talked about Microsoft in the stock market weekly review. What do you see? You have here support. Below the support, it's going 398. Below it, it's going 382. Long continuation on Microsoft. In my opinion, look at this area, the 410 area, super tough resistance. But you also have here lower highs. So careful for now on Microsoft. Long continuation above this orange trend line towards the 415 and then 421. Super easy analysis. Make your technical analysis super easy. You know why? Because trading and technical analysis is two different things. And trading, what you see, is super tough as it is. So don't make your technical analysis so rough and so tough and so complex. Holding. Look at this trend line. Holding below it. 382 on Microsoft. Incoming. Why it's not working? Thank you very much, Ingrid. I don't know how to put it. Every time, same thing. I just know how to put it like this. Thank you very much, Ingrid. I do appreciate you and this amazing super chat. Thank you very, very much. What else do we have? MST. MST. What is MST? Are you sure? What are these names? MSTR maybe? Let's talk about MSTR. What do you think about MSTR? Uptrend until proven otherwise. This is the support. Below this, where price of MSTR might be heading next. Don't guess. You have trend lines. You have Fibonacci. You know how to use the Fibonacci. You use it like this. You go back, and this is how you know something is working. Back testing. Let's back test MSTR from here. Let's take MSTR on this trend from August 04 to January of 05. Let's take this to the upside. Now, where MSTR is now? Boom. Cannot be more accurate than this. Look how price reacts to future support and resistance from the Fibonacci. Look how this is the only tool. This is why I always say, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only tool that you need to master. Fibonacci, it's the only tool that will give you, we have two Ingrid on the chart. This is the only tool that will give you the most accurate support, resistance, and where price is heading next. Fibonacci. We drew this Fibonacci when? Here. Where did we draw it? Here. 20 years ago. Still working. It's the only tool. It's the only tool that works. What else do we have? Coin. Once again, Ingrid, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Coin. Where coin is heading next? We had this uptrend. Broke above an uptrend line. Now it needs to hold this uptrend line. And then you can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, continuation above the 240, the 254, and then 306 to the upside. And for now, in my opinion, your stop should be just below the 215 on the chart. Let's see. Here you have trend lines holding together with this Fibonacci level, holding support. Super nice. We have an alert from here, from the FTI for long. As you can see, the FTI already did it for us, long above this. But for now, we are still in a short position. Short until proven otherwise. So, Bitcoin raging up. Luna moving sideways. Ethereum unstoppable. This is how Ethereum looks on the 4 hours. This is how Ethereum looks on the daily. We can adjust the Fibonacci lines a little bit like this. Holding. Next, above the 50-40 will be above the 40-50, sorry, will be the 45 or the 46 even. What else do we have? Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because we're going live every day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Tomorrow, I'm not sure that we will have the live. Let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. CPI numbers coming up. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I do hope you find this video helpful, educational. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, and I assure you, you will start making money. Until the next video, until the next YouTube, until the opening bell, stay safe.